Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel today. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite foods that keep me warm and cozy in winters. The video is going to be very important since winter is around the corner. In most parts of the world, the foods I'm going to be talking about are not only delicious, but also nutritious and easy to make before proceeding. I want you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, as it motivates me to make more amazing content which is helpful and contributes to the society. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first food that I love to eat in winters is soup. Soup is a great way to warm up your body and hydrate yourself. You can make soup with any vegetables, beans, lentils, or meat that you have in your fridge. Some of my favorite soups are tomato soup, chicken noodle soup, and lentil soup. You can add some spices, herbs, or cheese to make your soup more flavorful and satisfying. The second food that I enjoy in winters is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a hearty breakfast that fills you up and gives you energy for the day. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system and lower your cholesterol. You can cook oatmeal with milk or water and add some fruits, nut seeds, or honey to make it more delicious. Oatmeal is also very versatile. You can make it savory or sweet, depending on your mood. The third food that I recommend in winters is hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is a classic winter drink that warms your soul and makes you happy. Hot chocolate is made with milk, cocoa powder, and sugar, and you can customize it with some whipped cream marshmallows or cinnamon. Hot chocolate is also good for your health, as cocoa contains flavonoids that can improve your blood flow and lower your blood pressure. These are some of the foods that I love to eat and drink in winters. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments, what are your favorite foods that keep you warm in winters? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.